University of Kurdistan Hawler, Center for Environmental Studies, jointly with KRG's Ministry of Agriculture and Water Resources, General Directorate of Water Resources hosts a workshop of water management challenges in the Kurdistan region of Iraq. This workshop brought together local and international experts, academics, and government officials to discuss challenges to water management in the KRI and recommended solutions. Many topics were discussed on the panel. The three panelists, Professor Dana Maulud, Dr. Karwan Sabah, and Dr. Ali Rashid, where they shed light on water crisis and offered solutions such as the use of modern technology, collective efforts from related agencies, government bodies, and ministries, and raising awareness to make water management a culture in the society.